Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys requested for me to do a scenario using the 10 off of 50 that is still printing for some of you guys at the end of your receipt. So I stopped receiving those. Remember, that is very random when you get the 10 off of 50 on the bottom of your receipt. Or let's say you get like a 4 off of 20 or a 6 off of 30. So those are very random. I was getting them every single week and they stopped. Now, my thing with those coupons is if you guys have CRTs for like shampoo and body wash, then I say don't include that in your 10 off of 50 deals. I say include non-threshold CRTs. Like for instance, if you have a $3 off of St. Ives or something along those lines. So a lot of you guys requested to use some of the deals that I did in my last video using those rare CRTs, non-threshold CRTs, including it in this 10 off of 50. So I'm going to show you guys pictures of the deals. I did not do this deal, but this is just a scenario to help you guys if you have the 10 off of 50, any purchase coupon that prints out at the end of the receipt. And again, these deals are from February 16th to February 22nd. So let's jump right into the deals. So the first deal is going to be on the Paparazzi nail polish. They're on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $4 extra buck. And they're on sale 2 for $5. So you pay $5 out of pocket, but get back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of them. So it works out to $1 for each of them or 50 cents each. After that $4 in extra bucks. The next item you're going to grab is going to be on GSQ Hair Care. So they're on a promotion this week for buy one, get one 60% off. You're going to buy one of the heat protectants for $7.99. And you're going to buy one of the dry shampoos for 60% off at $3.19. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off GSQ Hair Care CRTs. Remember guys, those are non-threshold CRTs. So there's no amount attached to it that you have to spend on the product. So the total works out to $5.18 or $2.59 each. St. Ives face products are on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. Now we're not going to do the spend 15, get 5. We're just going to pick up one of the St. Ives face scrubs for $5.59. You're going to use the $3 off St. Ives face scrub CRT as well as the $1.50 off St. Ives face scrub CRT. So the total works out to $1.09 after both CRTs. Revlon Cosmetics are on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of the cream shadows for $8.59 each, making them $17.18. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 2.9 Smart Source. We're all receiving this week an instant coupon for $4 off, and you have until Saturday the 22nd to print that coupon out from the Redbox Coupon Center. So the total works out to $7.18, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $2.18 for both of them or $1.09 each. Colgate Max this week is on a promotion for buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale for $2.99. So you're basically going to pick up one of them, you pay $2.99, and you get $2 in extra bucks back, making it 99 cents after extra bucks. Jergens Body Butter Lotion is on a promotion this week for 40% off. So you're going to pick up one of them for $8.29. When the 40% off applies at the register, it's going to take out $3.32, making the total $4.97. You're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 Jergens CRTs, making the total 97 cents after the $2 off 1 Jergens CRTs. And the last item we're going to grab is going to be on the Lysol products. So Lysol products this week are on a promotion for buy one, get one free. You're going to pick up 2 of the Lysol wipes. One of them is going to be priced at $4.99. The other one will become free. We're only going to use 1 of the 50% off 1 coupons from our 2.2 Smart Source. Remember, guys, we cannot use another 50% off coupon because you can't use a coupon on a free item. You're going to use the 1 off of 2 Lysol Wipes CRT, making the total $3.49 or $1.74 each. Okay guys, so here goes the scenario using that 10 off of 50 with all the product I just showed you in the beginning of the video. So paparazzi this week, they're $5, and when you buy two, you get a $4 extra buck. So you're gonna pick up two of the paparazzi nail polish. Jergens body butter, and that's the only lotion that's 40% off. With the 40% off, it becomes $4.97. Revlon cream shadows, $8.59 for each of them. And Revlon again is spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. St. Ives face scrub, $5.59. Remember, we're not doing the deal for spend 15, get 5. We're only picking up one of them because we have two CRTs for it. GSQ hair care, again, buy one, get one 60% off. So one of them is going to be $7.99 and one of them is going to be $3.19. And that's going to be the heat protectant. And there's another product, I forgot what I showed you in the picture. Those are both originally $7.99. So if you take 60% off of one of those products, it becomes $3.19. Lysol wipes, $4.99, and then you pick up another one for free. Now, the Lysol dual wipes are priced at $3.99. If your store has the $3.99 ones, you'll even out at the end of this trip. But my store only had the ones for $4.99, and you get the other one for free. Colgate Max this week is on sale for $2.99, and when you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck. So the total before coupons for everything is going to be $51.90. You're going to apply that 10 off of 50, making it $41.90. Now, these are all the coupons we are going to use here. So you're going to use the $2 Jergens Lotion CRT, both of them that I showed you guys in the picture, if you have those CRTs available. You're going to use two of the $3 off coupons for the Revlon eye products, and that came out in our 2.9 Smart Source. You're going to use the $4 off instant coupon for Revlon that's printing out for all of us. Again, guys, you have until the 22nd to print out that coupon. You're going to use the $3 off St. Ives Face CRT if you have that CRT available, and the $150 off St. Ives Face Scrub CRT. You're going to use two of the $3 off GSQ hair care CRTs. Now, all these CRTs are stacking because they're non-threshold CRTs. And also the 50% off Lysol wipes coupon from our 2.2 Smart Source, and the Lysol wipes CRT for $1 off too. So the total works out to $15.90. You're going to roll $15 in extra bucks to pay for this, making the total 90 cents. But you're going to get back an $11 in extra bucks. So you get back $4 for the paparazzi nail polish. You get back $5 in extra bucks for the Revlon cream shadows. And you get back $2 for the Colgate Max deal. Now, $43.92 counts towards beauty in this transaction. And remember, guys, every $30 you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck. So maybe you guys have beauty bucks accumulated. So $43.92 will count. So we will get a $3 beauty buck. So the paparazzi, the $5 is going to count towards beauty. For the Jergens body butter, the $4.97 is going to count towards beauty. For the Revlon cream shadows, $8.59 twice. It's going to count towards beauty. The St. Ives face scrub counts towards beauty because it's a face product at CVS. And the GSQ hair care counts towards beauty. So $7.99 and $3.19 will count towards beauty, making it a total of $43.92. So basically, we took a $1 loss in extra bucks. So we paid $15 in extra bucks. We got back $11 in extra bucks for the deals and back a $3 beauty buck. So that's a total of $14 in extra bucks, and we spent $15 in extra bucks. So that's a $1 loss in extra bucks. So you can say everything was free if you had the extra bucks to cover it. Now, or you can say you paid $1 for all of these items because you took a $1 hit in extra bucks. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. As far as like if you have a 4 off of 20, try to apply some of these items. You have to make your total $20 before coupons, and you can use non-threshold CRTs. The same applies for the 6 off of 30 any purchase. Now, if this is something you want me to continue putting on my channel, because a lot of you guys are still receiving them, I will do so. But if it's something that you guys are not getting as often, then let me know down below. Now, again, the 10 off of 50 is something that's not guaranteed. So there's no way you can just do something and get the 10 off of 50. It's just basically CVS giving you a 10 off of 50 at the end of your receipt. And it's very, very random that we get those CRTs. So basically, if you guys, again, are getting like 4 off of 18 hair care CRTs, or you're getting oral care CRTs, definitely use it on the deals in the store, because those are CRTs that we want to keep on getting every week. So for instance, if you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT and there is a deal giving back extra bucks, definitely use that 4 off of 18 on those deals so CVS can prompt that and see that you are buying shampoo at CVS. Because remember, guys, CRTs are based on our spending at CVS. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.